Hello! Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into the do-while loop and how it works in JavaScript. Don't worry if you're new to programming, we'll explain everything in simple terms. So let's get started. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, but with one key difference. In a do-while loop, the code block is executed first, and then the condition is checked. This guarantees that the code block will execute at least once, even if the condition is initially false. Let's take a look at the basic syntax of a do-while loop. As you can see, the code block is enclosed within the do-while loop, followed by the while keyword and the condition in parentheses. Now, let's dive into our first example. Imagine we want to simulate a dice roll until we get a 6. We start by declaring a variable called dice and initializing it with a value of 0. Next, we set up the do-while loop. Inside the loop, we'll generate a random number between 1 and 6, simulating a dice roll. After each roll, we check if the number rolled is equal to 6. If the condition dice is not equal to 6 is true, the loop continues executing and another roll is simulated. The loop will continue running until we get a 6. Now, let's move on to our second example. Consider a scenario where we want to validate a user's password. We'll use a do-while loop to keep prompting the user until they enter a valid password. Inside the loop, we display a prompt asking the user to enter their password. The loop will continue running until the condition password.length is less than 8 becomes false, indicating that a valid password has been entered. We've covered the basics of the do-while loop in JavaScript, and we've explored 2 examples that demonstrate its usage. Remember, the do-while loop guarantees that the code block executes at least once before checking the condition. This makes it useful in situations where you want to ensure initial execution. Let's put what we've learned into practice in a quiz. How many times will a do-while loop execute if the loop condition is initially false? Right answer, D. What is the syntax for a do-while loop in JavaScript? Right answer, B. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more JavaScript tutorials. Happy coding!